Hey guys, so in this video I will be teaching you how I make my thumbnails using Photoshop. If you guys don't have Photoshop or you can't afford it, click on the video in the description. There will be a tutorial on how you guys can get it for free. And yeah, once you have Photoshop ready, just install the file. I provided my thumbnail pack, which I compiled, so link in the description. Credits to AgroMC. His channel link will be in the description. He made half of the thumbnail pack right here. I'm gonna be using some of his assets, so that's that. Alright, now once that is installed, just drag this to your desktop. Then you can close the browser and just extract this to your desktop or anywhere. Now you will have this file, thumbnail pack v2. You're gonna go to fonts and install both of these fonts. Then, as you guys can see here, thumbnail pack new. This is made by AgroMC, and my old thumbnail pack will be here as well, so you guys can use that. So yeah, once you have those fonts installed, go to Adobe Photoshop, click on File, New, and set the width to 1920 by 1080. Set the name to something like thumbnail so that you won't get confused. Make sure they're on pixels, by the way. Set this to pixel, pixel inch. Set the background contents to transparent, RGB color, and 8-bit. Resolution is 72, and just, yeah, that's that. Click OK, and you're gonna have this. Now once you have that, click on File once again, click on Open, go to our thumbnail pack v2, thumbnail pack new, and click on this Minecraft thumbnail pack by AgroMC. So that's that. If you guys get this error, just click OK. And yeah, this is made by AgroMC once again. And first of all, what you're gonna want to do is click on this pack layer, set this, disable it by clicking on this square thing. Now what you're gonna want to go to Vibrance Light right here, right click that, duplicate group, and go to thumbnail, which is the one we made earlier, right here, and go to background right here. Enable that by clicking on the eyeball next to the right here, the square thing. Then enable layer 9, and you can choose between layer 11 or layer 10, but I prefer layer 10 because it's a lot more Minecrafty. So just select layer 10, left click that, hold Control, and click on layer 9. It's gonna select both of those layers, then click on right click, then click on duplicate layers, go to thumbnail, and it should be right there. For Vibrance Light, make sure this is on top of the project. Enable that and enable this. This is just gonna make your thumbnail look way better. Then go to text styles right here and enable both of these. Go to style, click that and right click, go to copy layer style, and go back to your thumbnail. Now you're gonna want to make your text, so I'm gonna be using Questerian font right here, and my text size will be 233. Set the color to white and just left click and do your text. I'm gonna do how to make, and then I'll center that by clicking on Control plus A, and this go to your move tool, then click Control plus A, then go to here the top thing and click on this one. It's gonna center it. That's that. and then Control plus D is gonna deselect. Then just make another text. I'm gonna set this to thumbnails. So it's gonna be how to make thumbnails. I'm gonna center this as well, and I'm gonna make this bigger by going to Control plus T, and then click on this button here next to H. To the left of H, click on that button and click on the corner right here and drag that to your desired. Drag that to however big you want it. That is around the perfect size for me. So just click on the check mark here, and you guys can move it pixel by pixel using the arrow keys, by the way, so that you're more accurate. And I'm gonna click on how to make the first text layer I made. Hold Control and click on the other text layer, then right click that and go to rasterize layer, rasterize type, sorry, and click on one text layer. So click on a single text layer, right click and click on paste layer style. Do the same for the next one, and there you go. As you guys can see, it's like overlapping a little bit, so I'm gonna move the how to make text a tiny bit upwards so that it doesn't interfere with the other text layer. So that's that. Then you guys can merge it by clicking on one text layer, holding Control, and click on another text layer. We're just gonna select both of it, right click and click on merge layers, and go back to the Minecraft thumbnail pack. Go to outline, right click on that and copy layer style, go back to thumbnail and paste layer style, and there we go. That's your text done, and it looks really nice in my opinion. So yeah, I'm also gonna add the sunburst, which you guys can see here, which is right here, sunburst HD. Just right click that and duplicate layer, and it should be here. Put that on the bottom and it should look better. And I'm gonna set the opacity to like 75, yeah, somewhere there, and there we go. That's amazing. Then I'm gonna place my my borders. So by clicking on File, Place, and go to my thumbnail pack, borders, and I'm gonna use this yellow one right here. There we go. Now once that's there, right click and rasterize layer, right click it once again and go to blending options, go to outer glow, set the blend mode to normal, opacity to 100, set the color to black, set the spread to 10, and the size to 45. There we go. Make sure that's on top of your text, and there we go. Then I'm gonna add some lights, which is on the thumbnail pack as well. So thumbnail pack, new, simple lights, and I'm gonna add this number 10. Click on this button here and make that bigger. There we go. And I'm gonna change the blending mode to, I'll just set it to color dodge add, set the opacity to 36. Yeah, 36, 38, 35. Just set it to 35, and there we go. So that's just gonna add a cool effect, and that's your thumbnail. We're done. So you guys can save it by going to File, Save As, and set this format to PNG. Set the file name to anything you want. I'm gonna leave it as thumbnail. I'm gonna save it to my desktop, Just click save, click on OK, and it's gonna save. There we go. Now it's in our desktop, and that's our thumbnail. This thumbnail, I will be using this for this video as well. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you think of the video. So yeah, I will be making another thumbnail tutorial, and it's gonna be for like a more advanced, like this one, this thumbnail right here. I'll be making a more advanced tutorial for this, I guess. So if this video gets somewhere around 20 likes, I'll do it. And yeah, so that's the video. I hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.